You calling him? Hey, here, doggy. Mm-hmm. You want to pet the dog again? I think he's too smart for you right now. He's staying out of arm's reach. Sorry, kiddo. Dude, over here. Over here. You want to pet the doggy? You want to pet the doggy? Yeah? I think he's afraid of you right now. He's keeping his distance. He's keeping his distance.